Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and install an eSIM for Ecuador. This is a very simple thing to do, and what you can do is go into the description of this video right now below and open up the first link you see, as it is going to take you to the official page right here of the eSIM application, from where we can get started purchasing and installing the eSIM. So it's going to look like this. Once you open up the link, you're going to be able to see the Ecuador option right here, from where we can get selecting the number of days we want to use the plan for. You're going to have a fixed plan and an unlimited plan, but the unlimited plan is usually going to be the best offer. As you can see, there are similar prices for the fixed plans, but for less data. So what I suggest for you to do is go ahead and select your plan right here that you want, after which you can go ahead to go to the checkout page. Make sure to stay until the end of the video, as we are also going to be showing you how to install it. But on the checkout page, you can click the choose a payment method option. That's going to enable you to choose your payment choice that you prefer, such as paying with card, Apple Pay, PayPal, and so on. So once you have made your purchase successfully, you are going to go and be able to pay right here and install it, after which we can get started with the installation process. So it doesn't matter if you're on Android or iPhone, the process is going to be pretty similar. As you can see right here, the official eSIM application website, we can take a look at the steps we need to do. So what we want to do after purchasing the first plan, we're going to go to the eSIM installation page. We're going to open up the iOS eSIM application, go to the eSIM page and tap install on the desired eSIM. After that, you can click add cellular and tap on the install process, and the installation process should not be interrupted. Then you can click tap to add a cellular plan, and then you can go and label your data plan as eSIM for easy identification. And the process is pretty similar for Android as well, as you're going to see right here. Here you're going to go ahead and add a eSIM automatically. So you're going to help click the eSIM installation and click install eSIM now. That's going to enable you to install it. You can also go ahead and install it by scanning the QR code. You can go into the settings, connections, and SIM card manager and click add a mobile plan. That's going to enable you to scan the QR code as well and install the application. So if you need any more help, you can find articles yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. Go into the description of this video right now, open up the link, and get started with purchasing your eSIM today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.